Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another oil change on the Renault Clio. So we'll see how it goes. It should be rather quick. It didn't take that long, to be fair, so see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. So this is my uncle's car we're doing a service on at the minute. This is the one where it needs like the subframe being redone. As you can see, we've got the parts there: oil filter, sump plug washer, oil. Cars are jacked up on the axle stands with both jacks either side. Oil's draining, getting it done, getting it out of the way. I know I should have gone with genuine parts, but I didn't have the time to get it. Talking up to spec, because that's what you're meant to do. Make sure it's all fine and dandy. Talking up to spec. Had a weird like sump plug on it, but we're getting there. With trying to like film and talk up is difficult to say the least. Anyway, all done, all prepped. That's where the oil filter was. That is a horrendous place. I cut myself like twice. It was no fun at all. Anyway, there's a new one. Looking very new. It was cleaned off afterwards, all like the metal and stuff like that. Jacking the car down. Then we ran it for a bit and made sure it was all fine and dandy. And then yeah, that's it. It probably took about an hour. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.